Come test drive the 2019 Pilot. This vehicle is powered by a all-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 3.5-liter engine. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 90,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, remote engine start, stability control, power brakes, braking assist, traction control. Inside you'll find leather trim seats, audio, internet radio, Pandora, audio radio, touchscreen display, electronic messaging assistance with read function, capless fuel filler system, audio, speed-sensitive volume control, cargo area 12-volt power outlet, multifunction display, child safety locks, power steering. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.